Good morning, beautiful space. Today I thought I would show you how I separate seedlings. Now, at Lowe's I ran across some okra seedlings, and as you can see it's 4 okra seedlings in here. I got 2 of them. Oh, I looked up, it's 5 in here, okra. So what I do is I just, this little root bound, I think this causes less damage. I take this okra plant, that wasn't supposed to happen, and I sit it in the water. Okra. And I sit it in the water. And the idea is, when I'm ready for it, it will just separate easily. I'll come back with part 2.